¿Listo?
Sí.
Hey man, what's up? This is Joe. Ya. Ya.
Hey, what's up? This is Joe. I'm in Villa Ahumada, about 100 miles south of Ciudad Juarez in the state of Chihuahua. So in this video, I'm going to sort of take you on a breakdown of some of my favorite things that I've eaten in Mexico. And there's a lot of Lily cooking. She's always cooking something. And I've also included some absolutely insane footage from Mazatlan. There are police drones riding around warning about wearing a mask. There's a crazy Riptide, music, bands playing. In addition, I included a donate button in the description if you guys would like to help keep this project going. Otherwise, enjoy the show. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué onda, güey? Buenos días.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Muy bien, feliz cocinando.
Cocinando, como siempre.
Como siempre, chorizo de pollo con papas.
This is chicken, chorizo, and potatoes. Chopped up. All the time, this girl is cooking something delicious around here. And I'm gonna get very fat. No?
No.
Creo que sí.
Because I only cook healthy food.
Only healthy
for you
guys. Crema. Cotija cheese, lechuga, lettuce, chicken, chorizo, and potatoes. And a little tortilla called a sope.
Sí, o gordita.
Y salsa verde she made yesterday. Y sal y pimienta, salt and pepper. So this is quite an interesting place in Mazatlan. Probably the best tacos that you can get in the entire city. The interesting thing about this place, outside of that door, there's absolutely no sign, but it's one of the most famous taquerias in Mazatlan. These are the tacos which I am about to enjoy. This is marlin, a type of fish, peppers. This is chicharrón prensado, awesome chicharrón, and papas con chorizo. Lily told me about this place. It does mariscos. They've got a burger made from shrimp. Now, this is not really in a very gringo-centric part of town, so you really have to get off the beaten path, in my opinion, to find the really good places. This is agua de Jamaica. I'd only truly really come to love this drink after coming to Mazatlan in the summertime, where it's like hot as fuck. It's absolutely hot as balls outside. And this stuff right here is a magical cooling elixir. On a 90, 100 degree day, the heat index has been about 100 degrees every day. This is the best stuff in the world. There's a little type of purple flower. I don't know where it grows. I don't really know a lot about it, but it's a flower. And they collect enough of these little bitty flowers and make a tea out of it, and then add whatever kind of sweetener it's got. Probably a shitload of sugar, honestly, but it is what it is. It's the most refreshing thing in the world. Next thing they bring out is this concentrated shrimp broth, absolutely packed with shrimp flavor. It's like the essence, concentrated essence of shrimp. This right here is a hamburger made of camarones and shrimp. Excellent type of cheese. I don't know what it is, like fried onion rings. Kind of a bun with cheese baked into it. Jalapenos, awesome fries, fresh. There is a juiciness to this. There is a structural integrity of this. It stays together. I've had other hamburguesas de camarones and they just don't stay together. They're not juicy, they're dry, but they have just perfected the art of making this into a compressed patty. It's cooked over a grill, so you taste the wood smoke. It's absolutely fantastic. I wanted to share this clip of one of the most insane street performers I have ever seen. Basically, it's really common in some parts of Mexico for people to come out and do a little trick at the stoplight, like a 30-second routine, but this guy just took it to a whole other level. Gracias. So I just got to the colonia of Lily y Fernando, and it looks like they're doing something over here. Hola, ¿qué haces? ¿Qué hacen ustedes? Limpiando su carro, su automóvil. Qué bueno, qué bueno. This particular neighborhood that Lily lives in is very much like a pueblito or like a small town. Everybody knows everybody. All the kids still play in the street. I mean, it's crazy. Like in the US, all the kids stay indoors and play video games. But I didn't do that. When I grew up, we were outside climbing trees and getting hurt, you know, getting, ow, mom. So anyway, this cool colonia is kind of like walking back in time. So. Getting the stuff to make chilaquiles rojos. Esas son pasillas, ¿verdad?
No, guajillo.
Oh, guajillo?
Pasilla.
Okay. ¿Es pasilla?
Oye, ¿este chile pasilla? ¿Este chile pasilla?
Además es un chile ya.
Ok. Chile de árbol.
Chile de árbol. These kind of produce markets and stuff are very common in almost every corner of every neighborhood. They have a little tienda like this with produce and meat and stuff like that over there. One of the most cost-effective options in Mazatlan. This is right next to my campsite. My camp is over that way. Lily's over this way. Hola. It's the place me and Scotty ate almost every day when we were down here. It's like 70 pesos, 350. About as cheap as it gets in Mazatlan. This is chuleta, which is a type of very thinly sliced pork grilled on the fire. This is basically estofado de marlin. Marlin, which is like a type of fish, basically fish stew. We're right in the right place for it because right over there is the ocean. So anyway, we got some empanadas. This guy on a motorcycle just came by selling empanadas. So gigantic shrimp. Beautiful. Out here in Las Changueras. Riptide. This right here that's going on is a riptide, and if you'll notice, there's really nobody swimming out here, and smartly so. All the entrances officially are blocked off because they don't want people swimming. There's no lifeguards because you're really not supposed to be swimming at all. So basically what a riptide is an extremely outgoing tide, and even standing right here, you know, the water's like up to our ankles, but every time the wave starts to roll back, you can feel it just wanting to pull the feet right out from under you. And you really got to brace yourself against this. And you know, a friend of mine from Texas told me a story about a guy just recently out there whose kids were playing on the beach and just got sucked out to sea by a riptide like this. And the dad went in, tried to help him, managed to get him back to the shore. Then the dad couldn't get back in, and basically his wife had to watch while he drowned. So, you know, you can imagine how devastating that would be. But that's why I was just telling Lily, like, don't mess around with a riptide like this. You don't want to get out there too deep. They can pull the legs right out from under you, and before you know it, you're way the fuck out there. So definitely not something to play around with. I really want to swim. I really want to swim, but you know, this is about as far as it gets right here. Watch. That ocean is just trying to pull us out to sea.
De tus familiares. Atención, atención, estimado visitante. El gobierno de Mazatlán te pide por favor que evites aglomeraciones dentro y fuera del establecimiento. Usa cubrebocas cuando
Oh my God, this drone is warning about the dangers of COVID-19 and that you have to wear a mask. Yeah. I'm living in a brave new world. Oh, see, oops. Oh my God, la policía. It's drones. Drones. The policía. It's the drones. Oh my God, we're gonna die. So we're hanging out in Lily's place. There's a band having a big party out there, and there's a band. Everything's getting set up. Looks like a birthday party. Could be a quinceañera, or it's sort of like a Mexican sweet 16 party, only 15 years old. So we got the mango habanero, salsa mango habanero. Qué bueno. Y camarones al coco. These camarones están muy grandes. So yeah, this is my last night in town, and after this I'm going to be heading pretty much due north, like 2,000 miles towards Sturgis. That's all. Ooh, Brian in there. Oh my God. Oh, coconut shrimp. Salsa mango habanera. It's the specialty of Lily. It's her specialty, is making this hot fire sauce, mango habanero, delicioso sauce. So me voy a probar. Okay, a little bit of sauce, a little bit of... Also to point out, these mangoes are extremely fresh. Just came off somebody's tree. The best salsa I've ever had. This stuff, I wish I could swim in it. Of course, I would probably burn it. The joint is jumping. Unfortunately, I can't see the band's playing inside that door, so I can't really see them. But they are good. Very professional. Mazatlan, ¿qué onda? So we're in El Bigote's place with Caramitas Auténticas de Michoacán. Michoacán is the place that carnitas were born. So this is the carnitas. All kinds of chopped up different parts of the pork. We got tortillas. We got a special salsa for carnitas. Different types of spiced sauteed onions. Jalapenos. Limon. Agua de Jamaica. My current favorite drink. And so what we did was order half of that's just regular old meat, and then the other half, my half, is organ meats and all kinds of stuff like that. This looks like a little piece of liver and meat and stuff like that all mixed together.
¿Ya puedo empezar?
Sí.
Hey, what's up, man? This is Joe.